Hi students, now we going to discuss about in this class a multiplication of a decimal numbers. How to multiply the decimal numbers. In this class we going to learn that one. So here first question exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3 textbook questions we are going to discuss. First question find question. Find. First question is 0.2 into 6. 0.2 into 6. We want to multiply this decimal number. 0.2 is a decimal number. That number is multiplied with 6. How to multiply? First easy way is first numbers only multiply. Afterwards we keep the decimal point on the answer place. So which are the numbers? 2 and 6 are the numbers. 2 6 are how much? 2 6 are 12. Then look here. This first part we call it as a multiplicand. Second part is multiplier. Then result we call it as a product. So here 12 is the product. 0.2 is the multiplicand. 6 is the multiplier. In the multiplicand, point after how many digit is there? 1 digit. Point after how many digit? 1 digit. That's why in answer place, that means product place from right to left. Place values also be counting starting from right to left. That's why right to left one place count and put a decimal point. So our answer become how much? 1.2 is the answer. 0.2 into 6 become answer is how much? 1.2 is the answer. Next 8 into 4.6. Another question we want to multiply. 8 is multiplied with 4.6. So what we want to do with first without decimal point, that is easy. Without decimal point multiply numbers can multiply. Afterwards in answer place count and put a decimal. So number taking time 46 is multiply bigger number. That's why we multiply with 8. 8 6 how much coming there? 8 into 6 comes to be 48. 8 cut and write. Then 8 4s are how much? 32. 32 is added with 4 comes to be how much? 36. Then here, so answer is 368. Then here see in multiplier place after decimal point how many digit? 1 digit is there. That's why in answer place count is starting from right to left 1 place. So 1 place count after this. So point is keep here. So answer is how much? 36.8 is the answer. The next one more question 211.02 into 4 is the another question. We want to multiply this number. Here also how to multiply? Just numbers take and multiply. Which is our number? 21102 is multiplied with 4. Just we multiplied after multiplication after what we want to do decimal point. 4 2s are how much? 8. 4 into 0 0. 4 into 1 4. 4 into 1 4. 4 2s are how much? 8. Then look at the multiplicand place. Here after decimal point how many digits are there? 2 digit. That's why in answer place count is starting from where? Right to left 2 place count. Here multiplicand place after decimal point 2 place. That's why. So from right to left to 1 2. Then put the decimal. So answer become how much? 844.08. After decimal point we read the digit number name only 0 8 or not 8 and 7 means 8 is not read like that numbers only just number name only we read it. Before decimal point before part only 844 whole number part we read it as 844. After decimal point we read just number names on 0 and 8. So our answer become this is our answer. Then one more question. One more question that tells about 2 into 0.86. We want to multiply this number. How to multiply? Just numbers only take a multiply. Here 86 and 2 is the easy to multiply bigger number with a smaller. 86 choose 2 into 6 comes to be how much? 12. 2 cut and right. 2 8s are how much? 60. 16 plus 1 comes to be 7. Here see in multiplier place after decimal point how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. That's why in answer place from right to left 2 place take and put a decimal point. So 1 and 2. So here comes to be 1.72 is the answer. I hope you can understand how to multiply the decimal numbers. How to multiply the decimal numbers in this way. We are just multiply numbers only first. Numbers only take and multiply. Multiplication after look at the question. After decimal point how many digits are there, number of that digit from answer place from right to left, that much places count and put a decimal point. That is the procedure for multiplying the numbers, decimal numbers. I hope you can understand this one. Then next second Roman is there also finding type question, but here multiplied the given number with 10 or 100 or 1000 like this way. So keep in your mind multiply with 10 means first same number right and 10 containing how many zeros? 1 0. Then afterwards look at the question, your decimal part. After decimal part how many digits are there in answer place from right to left, that much place count and put a decimal point. That is the procedure. Multiply with 100 means same number right and in answer place right side of the answer put 20. Multiply with 1000 means same number right, 1000 carry how many zeros? 3 zeros. That's why answer place put 3 zeros. Then again look at the question. In question decimal part check it after decimal point how many digits are there from right to left, that much places count and put a decimal point. That is the procedure for doing the second Roman. Second Roman first question tells about 1.3 into 10 we multiply. 1.3 is multiplied with 10. What is the easy method? Any number multiply with 10 or 100 or 1000 means suppose you write the same number itself. So which is our number? 13 is our number. Without decimal point number, just easy trick I tell you. The same number you write down. Then 10 containing how many zeros? 1 0. That 0 you just keep on the answer place right side. Then look at the question. Here decimal part is there. Decimal after how many digits are there? 1 place. So in answer place what we want to do? Counting start, always counting start from right side to left side counting time. Here 1 place. That's why counting 1 place. Put this. So answer become how much? 13.0. Point after 0 means leave it. So what is the answer? 13 is the answer. In this way doing 10. In this way we are doing this process. I hope you can understand this one. Next question 153.7 into 10 we want to multiply. So what is the easy method? That same number right without a decimal point, that same number right and 10 carry how many 0? 1 0. That 1 0 keep on the right side of the answer place. Then afterwards again look at the question. Here a multiplicand place after decimal point how many digit? 1 digit. That's why in answer place right side to left side count 1 place and put decimal point. So what is our answer? 1537. Point 0 means leave it. So what is the answer? 1537 is the answer. This is the easy way. That's why I saying in this way. Then third question. Third question they tell us about 168.07 into 10. Another question we want to multiply this number. What is the easiest method? Same number without decimal point. That same number multiplicand place number just you write without decimal point 16807. Just that multiplicand place number right. Then multiply with which number? 10. Then look at 10 containing how many zero? 1 0. That 1 0 you keep completed. Then after the decimal point we want to keep. How to put a decimal point here? Multiplication place after decimal point how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. That's why in answer place a count is start from right to left. Count and put a 2 place after 1 2. Then decimal point keep. So what is our answer? 1680.70 is the answer. 0 means leave it. 1680.7 is the answer. I hope you can understand this model question. The next here 131.1 into 1000, so 100. Next we want to multiply with 100 case. 100 case how to multiply? Same process only. First same multiplicand place number just without decimal number you write down. Which is that number? 1311 is our number. Then 100 containing carrying how many zeros? 2 zeros. Just that 2 zeros you keep. So answer is this much. But we wanted our question is in decimal number. That's why we want to keep a decimal point. How to keep a decimal point? Easy way I said, which is the easy method. Multiplicand place here, multiplicand place a decimal point. That's why multiplicand place we are checking. After decimal point how many digits? 1 place only. That's why in answer place from right to left 1 place count and put a decimal point. So answer become how much? 13,110.0 means leave. So answer become 13,110 is the answer. Then next another question. 156.1 into multiply with 100. This question how to multiply. Here also what is the easy way? Given number just you write without decimal point. Just you write down the number. Which is our number? 1561 is our number. Then 100 multiply with which number here? 100. 100 carry how many zeros? 2 zeros. Just in answer place that 2 zeros you keep. Then look at the question where the decimal point. In this question decimal point is in the multiplicand place. In multiplicand place after decimal point how many digits? 1 digit. That's why in answer place what we want to do? From right to left 1 place count and put a decimal point. So answer become how much? 15,610.0 means leave it. So answer become 0.0 also keep, no problem. So answer become how much? 15,610 is the answer. This is the multiplication for 10 and 100. 1000 case also same procedure. 1000 case 0.03 into we want to multiply with 1000. So what we want to do? Same process. Just number which is the number here? 3 is our number. So that 3 just you write. Then look here multiply with which number? 1000. So 1000 carrying how many zeros? 3 zeros. That 3 zeros just you write on the right side of the answer place. Then that 3 zeros writing. Now 3000. But our question is in decimal question. Decimal case, decimal point we want to keep on the answer place. How to put a decimal point? Here decimal point is where it is in the multiplicand place. That's why multiplicand place looking time after decimal point 2 digits are there. So we look at our answer place from right to left 2 places count and put a decimal point. So where the 2 1 2. So decimal point we keep here. So answer become how much? 30 is the answer. 30.00 means leave it. So what is our answer? 30 is our answer. I hope you can understand how to multiply with 10, how to multiply with 100, how to multiply with 1000. This is the procedure. What is the procedure? Multiply with 10 means just give given number, just you write on the answer place 10 means 10 carrying 1 0, then right side of the answer place that 1 0 keep, then look at the question, where our decimal place decimal point then looking decimal point after how many digits are there, one digit means from right to left one place they can put a decimal, two places two digit means from right to left two place take and put decimal, that is the process. 100 case also same thing, without a decimal point number just you write on answer place, multiply with 100 means 100 carrying 2 zeros, that's why in answer place right side we keep 2 zeros, that's why we keep 2 zeros. Then in question check it, here decimal point after how many digit, 1 digit, that's why in answer place count is start from right to left one place and put a decimal, that's why answer become in this way. Then multiply with 1000 case also same thing. First what we want to do, without decimal point just number only write, here which number 3 only, that's why 3 only we write. Here 1000 carry how many zeros, 3 zeros, that's why we write 3 after 3 zeros. Now we got 3000. Then our question is decimal question. So what we want to do here, look check out the our question, after decimal point how many digits, afterwards you checking how many digits are there. Here in this question 2 digits, that's why in answer place from right to left 2 place take and put decimal point, that's where our answer become 30 is the answer. I hope you can understand this model question. Then next two word problems are there, that also we can discuss here. Third question that tells about a rectangle. A rectangle is there. Find out the area of that rectangle. They tell you like that. Find the area of the rectangle. Length is given as 5.7 and centimeter, and breadth is given as 3 centimeter. In this way they given find the area of this rectangle, just they given like that, one word problem. So first what we want to do, word problem case always we want steps. First length of the rectangle, write down length of the rectangle they given, that's why we first step we write it as length of the rectangle. How much they given, 5.7 centimeter. Next we want to write a breadth of the rectangle. Breadth of the rectangle, write down breadth of the rectangle is equal to 3 centimeter. What they ask you to find out area of a rectangle. What is the formula for finding area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle equal length into breadth. Length place which number, 5.7. Breadth place which number, 3. What is the easy method? Without decimal point just numbers take and multiply. Without decimal point means 5.7 we can write it as 57. Multiply with which number, 3. Then multiplication, usual multiply. 3 sevens are how much? 21. 1 cut and write. 3 fives are how much? 50. 15 plus 2 comes to be 17. 171 is the answer. But our question is decimal question. That's why then check it in the question where the decimal point, checking decimal, then checking a decimal after how many digits are there. Decimal after 1 digit is there. That's why in answer place counting start from right to left. How many place count? 1 place count and put a decimal point. So our answer become how much? 17.1. Area represent as in which unit? Square unit. That means here which unit they given? Centimeter. That's why centimeter square is the unit of this rectangle. Okay, so area of this rectangle become how much? 17.1 centimeter square is the answer. This is our third question. That is exercise 2.6, third bit. Then next, I hope you can understand how to find out here area of the rectangle. Length and breadth is giving how to find out area of the rectangle. Next, fourth question, they are telling about one two-wheeler is there within 1 liter petrol. Within 1 liter petrol, it can cover cover a 55.3 kilometer it can cover. That two-wheeler how much distance cover means within 1 liter petrol it can cover a 55.3 kilometer it can able to cover. Question asking within 10 liter petrol how much kilometer it can cover, that is the meaning of question. So how to find out 1 liter petrol case kilometer is given, so 10 liter petrol case kilometer, how to find out 1 liter case kilometer is multiplied with 10 liter petrol, then we get how much kilometer it can cover with using a 10 liter petrol will get multiplication doing time you get the answer. So first step distance. First step how to find out distance covered in a 1 liter petrol is equal to how much kilometer, 55.3 kilometer. Then how much liter petrol they given in the question 10 liter petrol. Therefore second line how we can write second step distance covered in a 10 liter petrol. 10 liter petrol is equal to 55.3 is multiplied with 10. What is the easy method? 55 point, I write 55.3 into 10 we want to multiply. How to multiply that one? We learned that one. Multiply with 10 or 100 or 1000 means same number, right? Here which is our number 55.3 means without decimal point number, right? That means 553 is our number. Then check it. It is multiplied with 10. 10 carrying how many zeros? 1 0. That's why that 1 0 keep it on the right side of the answer place. Then look again once again look at the question. After decimal point, in the question decimal point is decimal point, how many digits are there? 1 digit. That's why in answer place count is start from right to left, one place count and put to decimal point. So how much is our answer? 553.0 means leave it. So within 10 liter petrol that two-wheeler can cover how much kilometer? 553 kilometer. 0.0 means leave it. 0.0 right, no problem. So 553 kilometer is the answer. I hope you can understand this one. Then next class we can discuss about division of a decimal, how to divide the decimal number. That one next class we can discuss. Thank you.